So welcome to the Altair SimLab tutorial. In this we'll check the quality check new option. In this lesson you will learn how to do the quality cleanup for the TET model using a quality template and tips for the quality cleanup used. The first step is to retry the SimLab model. Make sure you have created the required mesh controls for the model before you generate a surface mesh. The second step is to create a surface mesh. Go to Mesh, Surface Mesh, select the bodies and say OK. The third step is to generate the TET mesh. Select the bodies, enter the parameters as shown here, and say OK. Replace the mesh with the existing model. The fourth step is to import the quality template. For that, go to the Mesh Control browser, right-click on the mesh quality and import the template. So once the template has been imported, go to the quality check, select the quality check new option, and then select the quality template that has been imported, which is the structural analysis. And you see here the quality parameters for the TRIA and the TET. So we don't require the TRIA quality parameters. We will be looking at the TET quality parameters. Select the bodies and compute the parameters. So you can see the number of failed elements as shown in the image. There are three different cleanup methods: modify elements, move nodes, and local remesh. Here we'll be using the modify element method to clean up the quality. Display the elements. You can see that the right side corner shows the 3D elemented quality parameters failed elements and their counts. You can use the modify quality specification where you can edit your quality parameters based on your requirement and add the values and edit them. So you can do it for the TET and the TRIA elements. Now use the auto cleanup method. Redisplay the bodies once again. Select the bodies, compute the model, and use the auto cleanup method to remove the quality. So once that is done, you can select the bodies once again and compute the model and recheck your failed count elements. So we see that there is a TET collapse, still there is one element failing. We will see how to remove that manually. So once again, just go back to the check new option, select the bodies, compute the model, and this time we will remove the TET collapse manually. Display only the TET collapse element failed elements. zoom in onto the particular location, use the option called Move Node, select the particular node that need to be modified. And once you do that, you see the quality parameters has been cleared. Redisplay the bodies once again. Again, go back to the check new option, select the bodies and compute the model once again. You can see that the collapse element quality parameters has been cleared. So this is a small quality cleanup, auto cleanup tips for the auto cleanups. So you can just use the quality cleanup. Do not use many criteria at once. You can do them manually and select each and every quality parameters to be modified.